Now, let's talk about the tools that you're going to need. Obviously, I'm not going to require you to dish out any more money. So we're going to stick with a lot of free things, like Composer. Composer is a tool that is discontinued, so just search for Composer alternatives. You can find Silex for free, as well as OpenElement. I still use Composer because Composer is a great way to hack without needing to know a lot of code, and you can still download it. Composer is another WYSI WYG HTML editor tool that you can still download for free. You don't have to use Composer if you don't want to. This course is not about which tool to use. It is about HTML coding Kickstart. If you want, you can go to Google and type in WYSI WY HTML editor, as you can see here. Then you'll see a variety of other tools. WYSI WYG stands for what you see is what you get. That means that it's kind of like Microsoft Word in the sense that you can see what's happening on the screen, but on the back end, there's a lot of code that's happening. So I'll show you that in just a minute. So that's it. Nothing really fancy. Just go ahead and choose your own HTML editor. Blue Griffin is a good one. You see it on the screen as a web editing tool, and the code will actually be shown on the back end. This one is for Windows. So if you're using a Mac or a Linux computer, that's fine. It is compatible with those as well. You just go to the download link here. You'll be able to see there's a stable version and there is a developed version. But if you scroll to about the midpoint of the page, you'll see different languages. You'll see them for Windows Installer, Windows zip files, Mac OS, download images, and Linux as well. It is compatible with just about any type of PC and operating system. Go ahead and download the app and install that onto your computer. Before I move on to video number 2, we are going to talk about the basic structure of an HTML body. Whenever you create a new HTML page, this is basically what it looks like. At the top, you're going to have an HTML tag, and think about it wrapping it around. So, you have the HTML, and you have the head, which is right underneath the HTML. Think of it like this. This is an HTML page, and then the next thing you'll see is the head. If you think about a human body, you have the head, and then right below that, you could have a name tag, like the title or something. Then, right below that, you have a body. Then, of course, you have your feet and everything like that. That's probably the easiest way to think about it. You have HTML. You can think of a stick figure or something. You've got the HTML guy. He's got a head. Then he's got a name tag that has his title. And he's got a body. If you can remember that, then it's fairly easy to understand it when I move on to video number 2 and I break it down for you. So, let's move on to video number 2, and it'll make a lot more sense when we get there.